Good morning, everybody, from Jeff's Little Engine Service. So today's project, actually just a tech tip for you all. You can see the black plastic on the front of this lawnmower is still in pretty good shape. But then this one, it's the exact same mower, but the black plastic in the front is all white, all chalky looking. Doesn't look good. And I just thought that this would be a good video to make for you all that do like to keep your equipment looking nice, unlike me. So all you really need here is a heat gun. Check it out. You can see I already did a test spot here. If you do it long enough, it gets glossy again. But do be careful, you can set your lawnmower on fire doing this, and that's not good. Just watch it, and as soon as it gets a little glossy, move on. Oops. A little too long there, but it's alright. It's just a lawnmower. If you have a steady hand, you can actually make it look pretty good. It almost seems to work better if you just lighten it a little bit and then let it cool off and then come back and go over it again. It's almost like spray painting after a while. Kind of fun. But as I was saying, the best way to do it, I think, would be to go over it lightly once, and then once it cools off, go over it again. That way you get the best finish, I would say, from my brief experience at doing this. Yeah, I would say that's a definite improvement. Well, there you go, folks. It looks a heck of a lot better. This is what the good one looked like. And that's the one we just did. Not too shabby. Tech tip number 6,464.
Thanks for watching, everybody.